नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दीपक मेहरोत्रा है और मैं आकाश का एमडी और सीईओ हूं। और आज मैं आपसे बात करने जा रहा हूं आपके एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन से पहले, जिसकी तैयारी आप करीब करीब 10,000 घंटे 2 से 6 साल से आप उसकी तैयारी कर रहे हैं। 26 मई को 3-3 घंटे के 2 सेशंस में आप एक बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम, जो कि सबसे प्रेस्टिजियस और डिफिकल्ट हिंदुस्तान का माना जाता है, आप लिखने जा रहे हैं। बट लेट मी फर्स्ट स्टार्ट बाय कंग्रेचुलेटिंग यू। इस एग्जाम की तैयारी 12.5 लाख के आसपास बच्चों ने शुरुआत की थी। आप उन 2.5 लाख बच्चों में से हैं जो क्वालिफाई करे हैं, जो कि एडवांस्ड का एग्जाम लिखेंगे। तो पहली चीज, बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ दैट ग्रुप, कांग्रेचुलेशंस। और this should give you even more confidence as you approach that big day. You are prepared with the best of the teachers that this country has. You have done enough and more practice tests, mock tests to acclimatize yourself to give your best on that day. That exam is an exam for 3 things: knowledge, your ability to convert that knowledge into application, and temperament. How well are you able to control your nerves? How well are you able to deploy your test-taking strategy on that day? The rigor with which you go about it. So while you walk into the exam on that day, you will be full of nerves. I have a few tips on how you can go about managing those. 1, ensure you don't do anything stupid. And I'm saying stupid because this is an extremely important exam for you. Just few days left for the exam. Don't do anything out of your routine. Eat right, hydrate right, sleep right. Try and see if you can see the exam center a day in advance, so that when you walk in, psychologically you are more comfortable to be able to give your best. You have trained like a master athlete. But now it's for you and only you to go out and play your game and give your best. Take the example of Neeraj Chopra. Every time he walks into an arena, a stadium, he makes an effort to read the wind and get a sense of the lay of the arena. In your case, the cue is in the instruction sets that's available in the exam. Since 2007, the exam pattern changes year on year. The number of questions change, the marking scheme changes. Please read the instructions carefully and then evolve your strategy for writing the exam. And then rigorously execute that strategy over the next 3 hours. Time is of essence. Please do not spend any disproportionate time on any question. If you're getting stuck, skip it, get to the next. You may find it a more scoring option. Making careless mistakes is just an option in a high-stake exam like this. So when you attempt a question, ensure you answer with accuracy. Remember, your knowledge is very well sorted. You have really been spending hours and hours on building that knowledge base. You have been practicing through test series and mock tests, etc., to convert that knowledge into application to get the best scores. On the day of the exam, your temperament, how cool you are with your nerves, will determine your rank. What you have been through in the Akash system for the last 2 years or 1 year, depending on the program that you took, we have done our best through the best faculty that this country has to ensure that you are very well equipped when you go into the exam center. While it's natural to be anxious about your performance and the result outcomes, let me share that teachers and coaches who have worked with you are super confident of your performance and your success. As you walk into the exam, go with the confidence that the prayers and the best wishes of your parents and well-wishers are all going with you. Go with the confidence that 12,000 plus Akashians are rooting for your success. Go with the confidence that you will be able to give your best. From all of us here and from me, Deepak Mehrottra, wish you the very best. Go and realize your full potential. To all the aspirants of JEE Advanced 2024, all the best.